In this problem, we're going to solve which picture shows equal parts. So the problem is select the picture that shows equal parts. So let's examine each one. And if we take a look at this triangle, these are all triangles of the exact same size. So look at the first one. It looks like the parts are not the same size, right? They're unequal. So we know this one is not equal, so we could cross it out. Now let's move to this one, the green one. Those look pretty equal. They look like they're the exact same size. They're in equal parts. The triangle has been divided into exact equal parts. But let's take a look at this one, just in case. We have to make sure we pick the exact correct one. So if you look at this one, you can see that this one is not divided into equal parts. So the parts are different sizes. So we could get rid of this one or eliminate it. So we know that the answer to the question, select the picture that shows equal parts, is this one.